Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this for sale, a Honda NC700 DCT, so the automatic version. 2013 bike, done 9,238 miles from new. It's got some nice little extras on there, so it's got the proper Zumo Garmin sat-nav. It's got a top box on there as well. This one being the DCT, obviously you can see there's no clutch there. It's a fully automatic bike. The foot pegs are being lowered ever so slightly, just for a comfier riding position. But really clean bike for the year. Obviously Jivvy top box attached and included with this bike, and obviously you can see the Garmin sat-nav as well. ABS on this particular bike as well. And also, well, whilst the camera's there, I'll show you this too. So on these bikes, rather than having a fuel tank there, this pops open and you can fit a full face helmet inside there, and then your fuel is actually underneath your back seat, just in there. Look, I'll give it a start up so you can have a listen to it. And there we go, they're a parallel twin, so they're pretty fruity sounding. They're really good on fuel. Honda claim about 90 miles to the gallon on these, I think, something like that. So they're unreal on fuel, so perfect commuter bike. So if you do want it, give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy, and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we could send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.